Hi, I am Debashis Sawat working in Mindfire Solution. Today I'll discuss the most confusing topics in MongoDB, that is called joins in MongoDB. Yeah, I think you heard the correct word. It is joins in MongoDB. I know the theory of MongoDB and the fact that it does not support joins, but there will be instances where we need to reference one collection data while querying other collection. Have you ever wanted to join two collection of data in Mongo? If yes, then here we go. Okay, I have two collection. Let's say, let me connect my Mongo and use my database is photo. Basically I have just created a photo sharing application where we have like albums and images, and in albums we'll have an like array where it stores like what are the images that are pertaining to the particular album, and in the images DB or images collection we have the details of images. Let me show you DB albums dot find one, and here you can see like it has an ID and the images. These are all the images ID that are belongs to image albums ID 0. Then let's see like how this images collection is looking like. DB images dot find one. Here you go, and here is like image ID is equal to 0. It has an attribute called height, it has an attribute called width, and there are tags for each images. So now you can think of a situation where we need to find all the images details of a particular album. So for this I have just created a simple JavaScript that will run on your Mongo shell, and here I go. This is the DB connection where I am connecting that photo database, and here I am connecting to the album collection, and I'm saying like where ID equals to 5. You can give any condition over here. So basically like I'm trying to get all the images that are belongs to all the images IDs that are belongs to album ID is equal to 5, and here I have just stored all like whatever the data it will query, it will store into the albums, and now I am just putting the object like album.nest, and what are the document it returns to us that will store into album underscore detail. Now we have the album, like let's say for album 5 what are the images or what are the images IDs. Now next step is we need to query to images DB or images collection where those images belongs to album 5. Remember, this album collection has one array called images where it stores all the images ID belongs to that image or that album. Okay, here I am just collecting all the images where ID in, I am using a in parameter that will just like it's same as like any of your SQL in parameter. It will take the number of IDs or number of data in an array. So here the data is album detail underscore images. Remember, this is the images coming from the album collection, and whatever the query, like it will get all the images details belongs to those image IDs and it stores into the image object. Now if you want to loop through it, just do a while loop, set image has next image, then I'm storing the each image document into an image detail, then I'm querying into the printing all these images ID, height, and all these things that are belongs to album number 5. So let's run this application and see how it works. I've just give Mongo, and this is my path where I'm running this application. And when I hit enter, you can see like these are all belongs to these are image ID 26404165, and these are height. You can also cross check if this album has those image ID or not. Let's go here, write a query db albums dot find where underscore id equals to 5. Okay, let me do it. It doesn't look correct. Here we go. You can see this is the album's image ID 2640, and this is the details of image ID 2640. So this is a way where if you want to do more than one collection data, and that is like required on an application, then it's best to write a Mongo shell script, or you can go with the Node.js, whatever, but this is very simple. So don't get confused the word with joins. Use your logic. This is nothing but we are just getting one collection, putting one array, then looping through that array with the other collection. That's all. Thank you for listening us.